The sun rises over the city, casting golden light into Alex's sleek flat and painting the walls with promise. The city's heartbeat is just beginning, but for Alex, the day is already full of potential. Alex, a top real estate agent, starts the day with a gentle alarm and a view that inspires ambition. The city skyline outside the window is both a daily reminder of past achievements and a challenge to reach higher. The city below is already buzzing, cars and people moving with purpose. The hum of traffic and distant chatter create a symphony of opportunity, each sound a call to action. For Alex, this view is more than scenery, it's motivation. Every sunrise is a fresh canvas, and every day brings new deals to chase. The flat is modern, tidy, and always ready for a surprise client visit. It's a space that reflects Alex's commitment to excellence, where every corner is curated for comfort and style. Every detail whispers success and trust. From the polished marble countertops to the carefully chosen art, the apartment is a silent partner in every business deal. Alex brews coffee in a high-end machine, savoring the small luxury. The aroma fills the kitchen, a daily ritual that signals the start of something important. The walk-in closet is filled with sharp suits and polished shoes. Today's choice, a confident blue suit and silk tie. Each outfit is selected with care, knowing first impressions matter. Dressing well isn't just about style, it's about building a brand clients trust. The mirror reflects not just Alex's appearance, but the professionalism that clients expect. Before leaving, Alex checks a packed digital calendar, meetings, viewings, and a crucial dinner. Every slot is a step toward new opportunities, and every appointment is a chance to make an impression. Every event is an opportunity, and an expense. Each entry is a reminder that success is built on both investment and effort. Lunches, dinners, and travel all add up, but they're part of the business. Networking over a meal or traveling across town is as important as closing a deal. Alex knows. You have to spend money to make money. Investing in relationships and experiences is just as vital as investing in property. With a smile, Alex grabs a leather briefcase and heads out, ready to sell dreams. Each morning the briefcase is packed with more than documents. It's filled with ambition. The flat isn't just a home, it's a statement. It's a showcase of the lifestyle Alex offers to clients, a living portfolio of success. It's a workspace, a showroom, and a reflection of the lifestyle Alex sells. Every meeting here is a chance to inspire and impress. Clients want to buy from someone who lives the life they aspire to. Alex's home is proof that dreams are within reach. The city's energy fuels Alex's drive. The constant movement outside is a reminder that opportunity never sleeps. Every morning is a fresh start, a new chance to win. The sunlight streaming in is a daily invitation to rise and shine. The routine is precise, efficient, and intentional. Each step, from making the bed to organizing the workspace, sets the stage for a productive day. Success in real estate is about details, and Alex's morning sets the tone. The right watch, the right pen, the right attitude, nothing is left to chance. The right suit, the right coffee, the right mindset. These rituals are the foundation of Alex's confidence. Alex's brand is built before even stepping out the door. Every action, every choice is a building block for success. The city is a playground for ambition. Its tall buildings and bustling streets are filled with stories waiting to be written. Every day is a new opportunity to impress, connect, and close deals. Each handshake and phone call is a step toward another success. Alex's home is both sanctuary and strategy. It's a place to recharge, reflect, and plan the next move. The investment in lifestyle pays off in client trust. Satisfied clients become loyal partners, and word of mouth spreads success. The morning ritual is a foundation for the day's hustle. With every note reviewed and every plan set, Alex is ready for whatever comes next. Alex's confidence is visible in every step. The hallway becomes a runway, each stride a declaration of intent. The city awaits, and Alex is ready. The world outside is full of possibilities, and today, anything can happen. Another day, another chance to succeed. The city's rhythm matches Alex's own, both moving forward with purpose. The door closes behind Alex, the chase begins, and the city is waiting to be conquered. How does Alex spend $8,000 a month? It sounds like a huge number, but every dollar has a destination, and a reason. It's like running a business where Alex is the product. Every expense is an investment in making that product shine. The biggest expense? Housing. $3,000 for a city view flat that doubles as a home, and a statement to clients. Next, a reliable, impressive car at $800 a month. It's not just transportation, it's part of the image. Marketing is huge, $2,000 for ads, websites, and flyers. Staying visible in a crowded market is non-negotiable. That's nearly 6,000 before even thinking about food, clothes, or the little things that keep business running. Clothes, 700 for sharp suits and dry cleaning. Looking the part is essential in real estate. Client meetings, lunches, dinners, coffees, add up to 1,000. These aren't just meals, they're opportunities to build trust and close deals. Smaller costs matter too, a high-end phone, property software, and a gym membership to stay sharp and connected. Every dollar is planned, every expense has a purpose. There's no room for waste when the stakes are this high. Housing and car create the right image, setting Alex apart from the competition. Marketing keeps Alex's name top of mind, ensuring clients remember who to call. Clothes and meals build trust and relationships, which are the foundation of every sale. Subscriptions and tech keep Alex efficient and connected, always ready to respond to clients and leads. The total, 8,000, but it's all investment, not just spending for the sake of it. Each expense is a seed for future commissions, planted with care and intention. In real estate, you spend to stand out. Blending in means getting overlooked. Alex's budget is a toolkit for success, carefully assembled to win in a competitive field. Every cost is strategic, not just personal. It's about building a brand and a future. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards. Success in real estate demands bold investment. For Alex, it's the price of playing at the top, and every dollar spent is a step closer to the next big win. Why pay $3,000 a month for a flat? For most, it sounds outrageous. But, for some, it's a calculated move, a way to stand out in a crowded city. For Alex, it's a business tool, not just a place to sleep. The apartment is a stage where first impressions are made and deals are set in motion. The address alone, the Grandview Tower, signals success. It's a name that opens doors and starts conversations before Alex even says a word. Clients trust agents who live the lifestyle they're selling. When they see Alex's home, they see someone who truly understands their aspirations. The flat is a gallery, not just a home. Every piece of art, every carefully chosen chair, tells a story about taste and attention to detail. It shows Alex values quality and understands luxury. The finishes, the lighting, the textures, all speak to a higher standard. Location is key. Being downtown means Alex can respond fast. In real estate, being minutes away can make all the difference. Time is money. Being close to clients and properties is crucial. Alex can meet, show, and close deals without wasting a second in traffic. The flat is a home office, a meeting space, and a marketing asset. It's where strategy sessions happen and visions are shared. High rent buys convenience, credibility, and opportunity. It's an investment that pays off in trust and reputation. It's a strategic investment in the Alex brand. Every visitor leaves with a lasting impression of professionalism and success. Clients want an agent who gets it. They want to work with someone who lives and breathes the world they aspire to join. The flat proves Alex shares their values. It's a silent endorsement, a way of saying, I understand what matters to you. Efficiency and image go hand in hand. In this business, how you present yourself is as important as what you know. The right home attracts the right clients. It's a magnet for opportunity, drawing in people who appreciate quality and ambition. For Alex, the flat is the engine room of success. It's where ideas are born, plans are made, and the future is shaped. It's where deals begin and relationships are built. Every handshake, every conversation starts here. The rent isn't just a cost, it's a business advantage. It's the price of being at the center of the action, always ready to seize the next opportunity. Every detail of the flat supports Alex's goals. From the art on the walls to the view outside, it all works together to inspire confidence. It's the foundation of the whole operation, a place where ambition meets reality, and where Alex's vision comes to life. $800 a month for a car? It's more than transport. It's a mobile office and a first impression. Clients expect comfort and style. A premium car builds trust before Alex says a word. Clean, quiet, and reliable, the car is part of the client experience. It's equipped for calls, navigation, and long hours on the road. A breakdown isn't an option. Reliability is priceless. The car is a moving billboard for Alex's brand. Every arrival is a statement of professionalism. In real estate, first impressions matter. The car is an investment in trust and efficiency. $2,000 a month on marketing? Essential. If people don't know Alex, they won't call. Flyers, a polished website, and targeted online ads keep Alex visible. Social media and Google ads put Alex at the top of searches. Personal branding, magazine features, charity events, builds reputation. Marketing isn't just about selling one house, it's about becoming the go-to agent. Every dollar spent brings in new clients and keeps the phone ringing. Without constant marketing, business dries up. It's the fuel for Alex's real estate engine. Marketing works around the clock. For Alex, it's not optional, it's survival. The investment pays off in trust and recognition. Marketing is the difference between waiting and winning. $700 a month on clothes? It's Alex's uniform. A sharp suit signals professionalism and confidence. Clients judge by appearance, details matter. High standards in dress match high standards in service. Regular updates keep Alex's look current and relevant. Well-kept clothes build trust with wealthy clients. The wardrobe is part of the brand. Looking the part helps Alex feel and act the part. Confidence is contagious. Clients feel it too. Clothes are a strategic investment, not vanity. Every outfit is chosen to impress and connect. In real estate, image opens doors. $1,000 a month on meals isn't just about eating. It's about building relationships. Lunches and dinners turn meetings into connections. Trust is built over coffee, not just contracts. Celebrating deals leaves lasting impressions. Happy clients become loyal fans and referrals. Word of mouth starts at the dinner table. Every meal is an investment in future business. Networking over food is more effective than emails. In real estate, relationships are everything. Follow Alex's day, where every dollar works hard. Morning starts in the high-rise flat, coffee in hand, suit on. By breakfast, Alex is meeting a developer, impressing with style and insight. Calls and viewings fill the day, each one powered by marketing and image. The car is both office and sanctuary between appointments. Quick lunches, constant movement, efficiency is key. Professional brochures and online ads keep clients informed and interested. The central location and reliable car make a packed schedule possible. Evening brings a celebratory dinner with clients, sealing trust in future deals. Every expense, from coffee to car, supports the day's success. The hustle is relentless, but the rewards are real. Alex's investment in self and business pays off in results. The day ends late, but with satisfaction. Every dollar spent has a purpose. The cycle repeats, each day, a new opportunity. For Alex, it's all about turning investment into achievement. Want to be like Alex? Start small. You don't need luxury to begin, focus on clients first. Be professional, honest, and hardworking. Build a reputation before you build a brand. Use free tools and social media to market yourself. Budget carefully. Spend only what you can afford. Reinvest as you grow, step by step. Don't rush. Success takes time and patience. Keep learning. The market changes, and so should you. Find mentors, read, and stay curious. Your knowledge is your best asset. Reputation is more valuable than any car or suit. Take care of clients and they'll take care of you. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. With effort and smart choices, you can build your own success story. The journey starts with one step. Take it.